Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am unboxing my April Simply Earth box. If you missed my video last month, it was my first Simply Earth box ever, my March box, and I fell in love right away with the whole company. Basically, they send you, it's a monthly subscription, so they send you a monthly recipe box, including essential oils. And just a bunch of support, education. You get little recipe cards and most of the things that you need to make each recipe, and it's just literally my new favorite thing. It is only $39 with my code Torey Noora free. You get a free big bonus box, which I will go grab. I think I have mine from last month. But your first month, you get that big bonus box, which has a big coconut oil, a big fractionated coconut oil, castor oil, roller bottles, regular bottles, a bunch of things, just like accessories that you will need to make recipes. But anyways, this is the monthly one, and so you get 4 oils and a bunch of recipes. So we're gonna open this April box today, but I will try to link here or in the description for sure my unboxing from last month too. It's just cool to see. It's always seasonal, so things you're gonna use for that each month or that month specifically. And I'm in love. There are a lot of reasons, and a lot of you got your boxes too, which made me so happy. I love sharing something that I just completely love, and then see you guys join in on it too. So it's really exciting for me. Okay, this is April. So you get 4 essential oils. They have their own essential oil brand. The owner is aromatherapist. Okay, so these are the recipes for this month. These are the cards that I was talking about. And on the back of each card, it has even more information. So I'll just go over these. Here, let me do the theme. What's the theme of this month? Rest and relaxation. Who doesn't need that? So these are just oils that you can use in your everyday life. Support your body's natural rest cycle. Oh, I am going to love, I need this. We have been so busy. It's like 2020 just like wrecked us, and we were not busy because things were so slow in my business and my husband's. And then 2021 has just ramped up times a million. It's been just kind of crazy. And with spring, doing a bunch of stuff outside, I really need to just relax and sleep. So this came at a perfect time. Okay, so a couple of points before I get started and jump right into the recipes and the oils. Just a couple of reasons why I love them. So 13% of profits go to help end human trafficking. That is a large number. That's a lot of money. And I just think that is awesome. I don't know of any other companies that do that. And they really are just about making this lifestyle easy, simple, gradual, and just walking with you alongside. And their prices are amazing. So what is the value? So $159, that is the value. And this is only $39. That's just their goal, you know, to get these oils in your hands to help you create a non-toxic home on a budget, and just have the support along with it. Here are the recipes. This one is Goodnight Moon Diffuser Blend. So that, I think a diffuser blend came in the last month too. Those are just really cool. You just make basically a big blend of some essential oils so that they're already blended and ready for the diffuser. Ooh, a sleepy pillow spray. That sounds so good. So this is going to be in a spray bottle, which comes in the box. And the next one, ooh, a Micellar Water. I love Micellar Water. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I love it. So basically, it's like a cleanser for your face that kind of just eats up dirt, oil, and grease, whatever, without rinsing. It's so cool and so easy to use. Hi, Frankie. Do these smell good? Do you like these? Oh, it looks like, oh, natural soy. Okay. So recipe for that. Oh, that's probably going to be my favorite thing. Lights Out Reed Diffuser. Oh, I've never made a reed diffuser. Let's see. It does come with reeds. Is that what you want? You think these are sticks? Comes with these little reeds, so you can stick them in a small little glass jar and make a little reed diffuser. Love that. Soothing Sleepy Balm. So this one, you use beeswax, coconut oil, the sleepy oil, and copaiba. Kind of just melt it all together and make into a little balm. We have a couple of balms we use for like congestion. We might have like a DIY Vicks Vapor rub, so that it sounds similar to that kind of. And then the last one is Moon and Back Roll-On. Oh, so this is like a sleepy time roll-on. The Sleepy Essential Oil, Copaiba, coconut oil. That's it. That's an easy one. So here are the oils. Balsam Fir. I've never tried this one. That's probably my most, I don't know, I'm excited about everything about this box, but I love trying new oils, and these are ones that I probably wouldn't order because I probably wouldn't know what to do with them, but they give you recipes and how to use them, so it's just like such a win for me. I love this, if you can't tell. Chris loves tree oils, so this is going to be one of his new favorites. And then it also, the education is endless. So on this label, it tells you more about it. So it is from the needles of the plant, and it's the ingredients are abies and balsama. I don't know what that is. Origin Canada, and then the aroma softly balsamic, pine-like. It is very pine needly. I like it. I like these too, these tree oils. Ooh, Sleepy is next. This is a blend, so I'm gonna mix it up. This is a blend of lavender, grapefruit, hoe wood, and bergamot. Ooh, what a great blend. Whoops, there's that one. And these are 15 milliliter bottles. These are big bottles of essential oil. Oh, that smells so good. That is so calming. This is so good. It is very sweet and calming. I love that so much. I've never tried hoe wood. I'm wondering if that's what's making it so just like, it is just very calming. Juniper Berry next. Oh, and on this one, sorry, on the Sleepy one, it says use Sleepy to help you relax and get some rest after a long day. Do not use undiluted on skin. And then child safe 2 years and older when diluted correctly. Juniper Berry is next. So this is from the berries and twigs of the juniper tree. Origin is Serbia. I don't know where that is. Should I know where that is? And then it's fresh and evergreen scent. Ooh, that is very fresh. It's like a fresh, like, I can't put the words to describe it, but it's like a tree, but just very fresh and like a new tree, you know what I mean? Just like, that smells very good. And then Copaiba, people pronounce this different all the time. Copaiba, Copaiba, Copaiba. I think I say Copaiba the most, but anyway, you want to say it. This is a really good oil. So just off the top of my head and what we use it for currently, and then I'll kind of read what they're going to use it for, but teething, you can just rub it on the gums. You can dilute it in coconut oil if you want. I don't. And then you can also, so this is known also as a driver oil, and that means when you mix it with other essential oils, it makes that other essential oil work better, which I thought was super interesting. There are a few oils that are that type of oil. This might be a different kind of Copaiba. It smells just a little bit different than the one that I'm used to. It's a little more fresh. The one that I'm used to is a little more warm and woodsy. This is, it might be a different strain or type of the oil, but that is used a lot. Let's see what the Copaiba. Okay, so on the back, like I said, on the back of these, there are more information. So a note from Katie, who is the owner, I believe. Really cool. Just a note from her on this one. That one's more instructions. A sneak peek at the next month. That's exciting. What does it say? Exchange. Pure full size. Oh, tranquility. That sounds good too. Frankincense, oregano, orange. Okay, so this on the back of this one, it tells more about each oil. So Sleepy, it calms. Copaiba uplifts, calms, soothes, supports immunity. And Balsam Fir uplifts, refresh, supports respiration, and soothes. And then Juniper Berry uplifts, deodorizes, soothes, and stimulates, and energizes. Oh, and this was also in the box. A natural solubilizer, mixes oil and water. Whoa, I never knew this existed. it mixes oil and water. So I guess I kind of use like witch hazel or alcohol to do that. I don't even know if that works, but that's what I was just always told to do. But that is really cool. So you get a 15 ml bottle of that. So this mixes, sorry, is that backwards? Your oils and water together. That's really cool. It's a gentle cleanser. It's naturally derived, and if your solubilizer isn't coming out, make sure the cap is on. Run it under hot water, or place the bottle in a hot water bath. So cool. You learn something. You learn so much every month. It's just, okay, I think that's it. I don't want to, oh, stickers. So you also get labels for all of the things that you're going to make. And if you watch my DIY, so I made a couple of the recipes from last month, and Zara had taken my stickers and just placed them all over the house. So I had to go around and collect them, and they were a hot mess. So I'm gonna hide these from her this month and make sure I can use them. But they also give you labels, which it's just so cool. Okay, I think that's it. That's everything that I wanted to share for this month. I will do another video on creating all of these, or some of them. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I am very excited about this. If you can't already tell, the link to shop will be in the description, along with the code Torey Noora free to get $40 towards your next order. It's a really good coupon, and you get that free big bonus box too in your first order. So I think that's it. Have a good day, guys. Bye.